Mr. Miocic, thank you for taking time off for Nova TV. Last time when I spoke with you, it was 6 months ago at one mall. There was a long line of people waiting for your autograms. How many autograms did you sign that day?
A lot. I think 800 or more, 1,000. I don't know. There was so many people there. It was crazy. I don't know. It was just awesome. It was cool to be part of.
How are preparations for the fight? Do you have maybe some special methods for JDS?
Train went well. I mean, I'm ready. I'm going to win. I'm going to walk out still champ. I have the belt still. Nothing's going to change. Amazing camp. I wish the fight was this weekend.
How much better fighter are you now than 2.5 years ago when you lost the fight against Dos Santos?
Completely different fighter. I'm different every aspect. My conditioning, my confidence, my striking, my grappling, just everything. I'm better. Everything way better. 100% better.
What's your opinion about him?
Oh, he's a super nice guy. He's a great guy. Great fighter. Unfortunately, we got to fight each other. Unfortunately, I'm going to win.
Crow Cup never liked to train in the camps. Do you always train here at Strong Style Gym? Do you always train with the same sparring partners?
No, I always train here. Crow Cup, he's got an awesome place at his house. So why would he leave? He didn't have to. I don't have a gym at my house. I come here, and plus my coaches are amazing, teammates, everything. And I bring guys in every camp. What I need for the fight. If it's a striker, if it's a grappler, if it's both. I always bring in someone that's gonna help me for the camp.
How many UFC fighters are here in Strong Style?
Just two, me and Jessica I.
Can you compare your life now and before you become UFC champion?
I guess it's just a lot more busier. I have a lot more things to do, a lot more obligations, but that's part of the game. I'm never satisfied. I always want to get better, keep winning. But I like being a champ. I like being called champ. But I'm never satisfied. I want to keep winning. I like what I do, and I'm not going to give that up.
So still hungry, very hungry.
Always hungry. I'm starving, always.
You met LeBron. We were also in Akron. How good is he? How is he as a person?
Oh, he's a nice guy. Everyone's nice. The whole Cavs team was amazing. We hung out during the World Series. I saw him at the Cavs game when they were playing the last game of the year against the Raptors. So he's a real good guy. We're laughing, joking. The guy's real nice. He's a big superstar. I'm just happy to be known in Cleveland.
Have you ever saved someone's life as a paramedic?
I have a couple times, yeah. It's amazing. Everything we train for being a paramedic and firefighter, bringing someone back to life, it's amazing. It doesn't get any better than that. It's fulfilling.
You still have time for that?
Oh yeah. I think I'm working again one more time this week. I check my schedule.
Stipe, thank you for the conversation.